Namaste and good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will going to see which number is bigger and which is smaller. See on this board I have written counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this, number 2 is bigger than number 1. How do you know that? Because when we add 1 to 1, it becomes 2. So 2 is bigger than number 1. Next is 3. 3 is bigger than number 2. So it's very simple. Remember one thing. जो भी number counting में पहले आएगा वो छोटा है और जो counting में बाद में आएगा वो number बड़ा है. Now let's see some examples. If I am saying 7, 8, 9 and I am asking you to circle the smallest number, we will start counting and we will say 7, 8, 9. So 7 सबसे पहले आ रहा है and this is the smallest number. Now let's start. 23, 12 and 42. Circle the or ring the smallest number. जब हम 2 digit number की बात कर रहे हैं, when we are talking about 2 digit number, always remember one rule. This is my left side, left hand, and this is right side. Always check out the left side number first. The number written on left side, that is on tens position. Here is 2, 1, 4. If we will see among 2, 1, 4, इसमें हमें check करना है which is the smallest number. We'll start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this number 1 is the smallest number. So we will going to circle number 12. Now see again. If I say 28, 11 and 49, again we will going to see on tens position on left hand side the numbers first 2, 1, 4. Now start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. सबसे पहले 1 आया, so 11 is the smallest number. Now see again. If I say 44, 47 and 49. Now be very careful and see now. I am saying 4, 4, 44, 4, 7, 47, 4, 9, 49. अभी तक मैंने आपको बोला था always check left hand side number. Left side, the number written on left side on tens position. जब आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो everywhere 4 is there. 4, 4, 4. इस केस में आप लेफ्ट साइड पे नहीं देखेंगे जब डिजिट सेम है. What you will do? You will check out the right hand number, the number written on ones position. 4, 7, 9. Now I will start counting. When I count, 4 will come first. 4 will come before 7 and 9. So 4 is the smallest number. Then I will circle 44. Fine. ये था बच्चे how to ring the smallest number. It's very simple. जो नंबर काउंटिंग में पहले आएगा वो स्मॉल है. अब हम देखेंगे how to make out which is the biggest number. How to find out the number which is the biggest number. Let's see example. If I am saying 5, 10 and 3, I am saying circle or ring the largest number, biggest or largest number. Okay, we will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 काउंटिंग में सबसे बाद में आता है, इसलिए 10 सबसे बड़ा है. We are going to circle this for biggest number now or largest number. Again, now see, if I say 31 and 23 and 49, I am saying circle the biggest number. इसके लिए आप वेरी सिंपल है, आप क्या करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे टेंस पोजीशन पे जो आपके नंबर लिखा है 3, 2, 4 काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और देखेंगे कि कौन सा नंबर बाद में आ रहा है. इसमें 4 बाद में आ रहा है, तो 49 इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर. Simple. Now let's see again. If I am giving you same digit numbers, 5 numbers that are same on tens position, like 55, 55, 57, 57, and I am saying 51. Now I am asking you, children, please ring the largest or the biggest number. What you will see? You are seeing here 5, 5, 5. The digits are same on tens position now, so we will going to leave the tens position and we'll come to ones position and we'll check there. 5, 7, 1. So when we are saying that, again we'll start counting, और counting में number 7 सबसे बाद में आएगा, तो number 57 is the largest number. So I think, I hope आपको ये अब समझ आ गया होगा. So be very careful and do the exercise. Thank you.